Well, our Triumph is struggling with this carburetor, so we're going from this old 1904 carburetor to a Weber Progressive style carburetor, which is basically going from a 1 barrel to a 2 barrel. However, there's mounting problems. Our intake manifold shrouds where this actually mounts. So basically in the car, it comes right up right here. They make adapters to do what we're trying to do, however, they're too small. They just don't extend the carburetor up high enough. So basically we're going to have to go from this round mounting flange to this somewhat of a rectangular oval shape. Basically we need to make an oval to basically take the 2 barrels and put them into one. So what we've done is we've cut out a piece of oval, cut them at angles, we tack weld it just like that. We find where our actual oval diameter needs to be within this radius. We'll mark it, we'll cut it off straight there, and then we'll find our round and we'll cut it off here, and then we'll basically have a funnel type oval to round transition.
Thanks for coming to our YouTube page. If you like what you see, make sure to subscribe. If you want notifications, click on the bell. If you want to buy some cool merch, click on the info card, or you can click on the link in the bio.